Hey, it's Andy with IT Supplies. HP has rolled out their newest mid-range 64-inch wide format solution, the Latex 730 and 730W with white ink. This printer sits in the sweet spot, being priced less than the Latex 830, but with much more productivity than the entry-level Latex 630. With units now hitting production floors, it's the perfect time to dig into the real-world costs of running one of these printers. In this video, we'll cover everything from the purchase price to consumables and service plans. Let's break down the numbers. Stay tuned. The new HP Latex 730 and 730W introduce several important upgrades over the Latex 700 that it replaces. These include HP Pixel Control for enhanced color accuracy, a re-engineered media feed system for better results at higher speeds, and white ink modes that are 50% faster. Also, automatic double-sided printing, and plenty more. If you're eyeing an upgrade, understanding the total cost of ownership is critical. Let's start with the hardware costs. You can order the Latex 730 either with or without white ink, but keep in mind the choice must be made up front. The white ink hardware, plumbing, and circulation is built into the 730W from the factory and isn't something that you can retrofit later. The standard Latex 730 without white ink sells for $20,795 before any promos. The 730W with white ink is priced at $25,295. Of course, HP is constantly running promotional offers, and as of this recording, customers attending a trade show, open house, or showroom demo are eligible for an instant $1,000 rebate on the 730 and $2,000 off on the 730W. It's important to talk to one of our sales reps at itsupplies.com to make sure that you're getting the best current promo. Now, let's move on to the operating costs, where the long-term math really starts to matter. The Latex 730 and 730W run on 3 core consumables: inks, printheads, and the maintenance cartridge. The printer uses 1-liter ink cartridges priced at $164 each. This equates to an ink cost of 16.4 cents per milliliter. The printhead's priced just under $200 with an average life of 6 liters for the color inks and 4 liters for the white inks, yielding an effective cost of about 3 to 5 cents per milliliter. The maintenance cartridge sells for $291 and boasts a 50% extended lifespan of between 20 and 25 liters of ink throughput. This comes to roughly 1 cent per milliliter in maintenance cartridge costs. Add it all up, and you're looking at a total consumable cost of about 21.4 cents per milliliter of ink. So that's most of the story, but how much ink will you use? On average, we estimate 1.5 milliliters of ink per square foot of print. That puts your consumable costs at around 32 cents per square foot. For more accurate estimates, we offer a free sample print using your file and your preferred media. Just visit us at itsupplies.com/print samples. We also put a link in the description below. We'll print your printed samples and send you the exact ink usage data. Finally, let's talk about service costs. Every new HP Latex 730 and 730W includes 1 year of full coverage, parts, and labor. After that, extended service contracts are available. Full coverage with on-site support can be extended for up to 5 years for as low as $2,455 per year on the non-white 730. Parts-only coverage with remote support is available for the 730 as well. For the 730W, service contracts are also available, and they run about 20% more expensive than the non-white 730 plans that we just discussed. With so many term length options and coverage choices, this really is best suited for a one-on-one conversation with one of our knowledgeable sales reps. Hopefully, these ballpark service costs help as you plan out your expenses. We hope this gives you a clearer view of what it costs to purchase, to operate, and to maintain HP's new Latex 730 and 730W. These models are available and shipping now. Head over to itsupplies.com to get in touch with one of our reps. We're here to help guide you on your decision-making process. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.